Okay, with this one we're going to work the balls to the inner thigh. The inner thigh comes down and crosses at the knee. So we're going to free up this lower area. You can work higher up the inner thigh if you'd like. I'm really going to demonstrate just the lower connections here. You'll want to have a yoga block or a book or something that will prop it up. You're going to come onto the side, bringing the block at your pelvis height. The balls are going to go kind of right at that joint line, and then you're going to lay down. So you're going to be kind of half on your tummy, half on your side. I'm just going to kind of lean this way here. So what you want to do to work the ball at the inner thigh is to move the foot. You're going to move the foot up and down. This is hip internal rotation. I'm just going to do 3. You can do 3 to 5 in each, and then go ahead and straighten and bend. Again, 3 of them I'm just going to do. And then move the ball closer to the inner thigh. And if you like, you can also give just a rocking with the pelvis, rocking forward and back, up and down, and then straighten leg and bend it. So the sequence of 3, rocking, hip rotation, and then knee extension, and bringing it closer to the inner. So rocking, hip internal rotation, and then extension. And you can work it all the way up. Usually the first half of the inner thigh is pretty raunchy.